Katie Estrada for
KD, go!
for Abot Kamay na Pangarap. Kelvin Miranda for Unika Iha. JC De Vera for Nag-aapoy na Damdamin. And Benjamin Alves for Magandang Ilan.
The VP Choice Award goes to KD Estrada.
Congrats, Kay!
So before I start, can I just acknowledge the other nominees po? They're so talented, napakahusay ng buti ng actors. And if you don't mind, I have a grocery list of people I'd like to thank. So of course, I'd like to thank VCBA Awards, and of course the panel. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you Dreamscape, thank you Star Magic for the opportunity they gave me a few months ago to work in Memphis teleserye, and I hope I made them proud. And of course, kay Direk Lauren, rest in peace, Sir Leo, si Ate Hazel, Kuya Ron, Direk Raymond, Direk Roderick, the rest of the production crew, si Javon, Cedric, Sid, Tonette, Ate Kimmy, Ate Trish, and the camera, of course, the audio and the utility. Of course, my wonderful co-stars, si Ronnie Alonte, si Ron Sandalio, Charlie Dixon, Elise Osman, si Joseph Marco, and of course, special mention to my love team, si Alexa Blanco. Thank you so much. I hope I made you proud.
Of course!
Thank you for your patience. And of course, gusto ko rin po magpasalamat sa aming supporters, the sweethearts, solids, and thank you guys for watching, always posting us sa social media, and always giving us the encouragement to work harder than before. I love you guys, and I'll never stop saying that I love you kasi the best kayo. Thank you. Thank you all at CBC for thank you for the reputation. Thank you po.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actress of the Year for an afternoon series goes to people's favorite actress who has delivered exceptional performances in leading roles in a daytime television series while truly understanding the requirements of the characters they portray.
The nominees are Jillian Ward.
Before anything else, thank you so much VP Choice Awards for including me in the list of nominees, and of course to the panel of judges who voted for me. And speaking of votes, I also dedicate this award to all my supporters, my sweethearts, and my solid fans. Thank you so much for doing everything that you do just for me and of course for Katie. We really appreciate you guys, and I love you so much. I would like to share this award sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, to the whole production team, to the whole staff, to all of my co-actors, and of course Dreamscape Entertainment. Thank you so much for entrusting me with the role of Beb Paraiso. I poured my heart and soul into this role and into this show, which is why I would also like to say thank you to my Paraiso sisters, Elise Foson, Charlie Dizon, and Loisa Andalio, because they really inspired me, and I believe they brought out the best in me every taping day. And I would also like to thank our boss in heaven, Sir Deo. Thank you so much for giving me the gift of Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. And again, thank you so much, VP Choice Awards, for this recognition. And to all my supporters, my loved ones, KD, thank you so much.
The VP Choice Awards for TV Actor of the Year for a primetime series goes to the people's favorite actor who has delivered exceptional performances.
Directors, production, the cast and get back with them. Thank you so much. And of course, to everyone that supported the show, including guys.
Congrats, Caitlin! Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congrats, Alexa!
Picture lang po sila.
Against the lights. Dito sa akin. Ay, dito. Siyempre ako vlog.
Okay lang, okay lang. Carry lang. Nasarado ko lang kung... Ano lang tayo? Yep.
Check lang. Good, then. Smile. Good. 1, 2. Nice. Ganda. And last 5 tayo.
Super ganda. Gano'n po ganda.
Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last.
Dito kay KKT.
Dito na ako sa phone.
Okay. Yung kay KD lang. Ito kay KD to.
And isa pa. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sa akin din. Sorry sa akin din. 1, 2. Okay. Goods. Yes.